Okay, good evening, everybody. This is an app I wrote called Boots. It's like
Boots?
Boots.
And what's your team name again?
My name is Mark Davis. I'm with Code Chops.
Code Chops and Boots.
And this is Boots. And what it is it's an app that the Travel Channel could brand for themselves, and it's for trip planning. And so over on the right here, we've got our destination. We're going to go to Vegas. And so we're hanging out here. And there's kind of an unholy union here of Bing Maps and then Google Street View. And so you can pick different places on the strip to go see. And when you change, the internet's a little slow. But we'll see when you click on these things. And then so if you can share this with your family. Everybody can have their own login through the key cloud. And then when you find a place you like, you can hit the plus, and it'll save it to the cloud. It'll put a thing on the map. And then other people can go through and they can look at your things and they can rate them and they can say, that's a horrible idea, or, yeah, that's a great idea. And so you can use a rating system. And then you can kind of look around. You can see this thing's dancing around because it's actually hooked up to the sensors on the tablet. And so you can really just kind of look around at your destination, get a really good feel for what's going on, and make a good plan. And that's about the size of it. It's a very simple app, very easy to use. And it's a Windows 8 app. It uses the key cloud stuff. And I think it'd be perfect for the Travel Channel.
Excellent. Great work.